Yo, let's get it. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Previously on Kimba TV. Talked about it, planned about it. We good? We talked about how this was my first attempt. That'll be my second attempt. Fuck it, dude. If you really just want to get play, just do that, right? There's a single print down at 26988. I'll play a sweep, swing failure pattern. All right, let's get the everything loaded up here. How are we doing, y'all? Zenyo says, what do we think about this volatility? Well, great question. You know, in a weird way, I don't want to say the same thing over and over, but you know what's kind of cool? Did you know that we kind of talked about this? Let me load everything up for y'all. I have my Kraken still running, but I actually closed the MEXC. But I have most of it on Kraken running. So how do I? Fuck! Every time I come back to this New York computer, how do I get the avatars back on again? Peep the average closing price. I gotta turn off the avatars for a second, okay? $127, but I'm going to the Hamptons this weekend. I didn't really want to get nasty with it. I still have all of Kraken still running, okay? But you guys remember when we talked about this? So 886. So this is what I would say. You lose this, I'm not longing this sweep. You lose this, I'm not longing this sweep. Nope. And my TP for Kraken would actually be this. I would aim for that. But you have to lose this level, because if you don't, then you're going to make higher highs. Bulls are still at it, because this is okay. It kind of fucked itself up a little bit, but it's okay. It's still doable. Kai Bond says, so yesterday you said we could run up to around 27.6 and run back down. Do you think that is still possible? We already did that. Yes, that is absolutely possible. Yeah, but I don't know how many of you guys remember talking about this, but I said something. Hold on, I got to turn this down. I said something like, we're going to get all of the pencil neck shorts out, okay? I want Sato to close here and go long. I swear to God, that's what happened. Isn't that what happened? Didn't we say, let's squeeze all the pencil necks long? We want Sato to close his short here and go long. I swear to God, that's what happened. Didn't we say that? We even talked about the 886 bounce, y'all. Okay, so I closed it right here. I said, fuck it. I can't, because I'm going to go to... I needed to realize something, because I have the Kraken so big. I needed to realize something. So I had to close it at the 886 because it looked too good. So many shorts were getting trapped right here. I couldn't risk it. And this was one of the scenarios we drew. Get all of the pencil neck shorts out, 886 bounce. So this is the pivot right here. We're seeing it right now. If bears don't get below the 0.5 really quickly, I'm talking about in the next 2 hours, maybe in the next hour, then we're going to go up. Mustang Jesus says, none of that surprised me. Yeah, and there were like, I don't know how hard you guys were nerding out, but it kept grabbing a whole bunch of single prints, right? There were single prints left to the upside, single prints left to the downside, right? Darklight says, Sato long liquidation is 26.9. It's good confluence. So Darklight, did you hear everything that I said? But here's the thing, Darklight. I'm not longing 26.9, my boy. Never give up says, you not even will be closing something from your Kraken on 26.988. No, never give up. In my opinion, see, but that's why I closed the MEXC. How many of you guys heard me say I'm gonna swing for home runs on the Kraken, but I'm not gonna be that aggressive on the MEXC? That's kind of been the plan for like the last 2 weeks, right? Y'all been seeing me kind of TP on the MEXC pretty disciplined, right? Yeah, so I TP'd at 27.2. I think I have bought myself the opportunity to see it fully rotate all the way down to like 26.5. Yeah, so if I don't get stopped out on my Kraken, never give up, I'm going to ride it all the way to the 26.5, 786. I'm going to aim for this VWAP. So that's around like 26.550. Okay, otherwise this is probably going to go to like, well, it already went to 28.1, so yeah, I mean, if this doesn't break 27.2, or if it doesn't get below 0.5, relatively quickly, then you're probably going to rotate back up. Yeah, but I still have my Kraken open, so yeah, I might get round tripped on a 500 Bitcoin position. It is what it is. Crypto W says Bybit swept the Tuesday low, but other exchanges has not. Does that mean anything? Not really. Like if this was a Tuesday or Wednesday, I would say that shit's gonna get swept. But here's the thing: it's weekend time, so what's supposed to happen is I don't know. If it's really that dependable. Crypto W. If it was a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would be like, okay, it's gonna get swept. We're going into the weekend. It's a little bit too hard to tell. And here's the thing, Crypto W. We actually talked about this scenario where it wouldn't make a lower low. It would hold this low and it would bounce off the 886, if you remember. So I had to shave a little bit. There was a shit ton of shorts coming in from right here. Oh my God. So I said, nah, I gotta TP at least the MEXC. Worst case, best case scenario would have been this, right? So what you could have done is you could have done something like this. You could have done swing high, swing low. See where that golden pocket is? You could have started to close out right here, right? Your entry is up here. But you can already see like, hey man, you got to get the fuck back down. Because the last thing that you want to see as a bear is this. Just fifth grade TA. Okay. S&P, did its thang, found support at 42.15. It's going to try to rotate all the way back above to 42.75, I think. I think it's going to try to sweep this. MBL says, can I get a sheet? Let's go. Let's go. Can we see a full rotation? Can we see a full rotation down to 26.5? Huh? Can we see a full rotation to 29.4? Huh? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, the gammas are the gammas, okay? And the Bugattis are the Bugattis. Therefore, Bugammas are the Bugammas. All right, don't forget that. Crappy says planning to open another short. Yeah, we talked about it. The 75786 up there. Yup. I still have my Kraken, but I shaved a little bit at that single print. I still have 450, but I took 50 off of that single print. I'm gonna probably shave another at the golden pocket, another 50, so it'll be 400 on Kraken. So, I mean, if you want to talk probabilities, just from a mathematical levels to levels standpoint, if you lose 27.2, like I wouldn't take that sweep. Other than that, if you can stay above 27.5-ish, you have a really good shot to rotate back up again. The thing that gives you a curveball is that you won't have traditional markets helping you out, and it's the weekend. Whatever the right move is, they're probably going to stop those people out multiple times before it happens on Monday. Something like that. So CMZ says, sorry, what was your short plan again? 75786. But CMZ, you can always rewind the stream. So someone might remember what timestamp it was, but it's basically either going to be a sweep of that top or it's going to be the 75786. So this is not time to blindly put limits in, especially since if it's going to be a sweep, let the structure happen first. Okay? And it's really not just about the number itself. It's really about the bigger picture. Okay, I feel like I'm pretty exhausted from the whole week of just working and whatnot, and so I rather focus on clearing my subconscious bias, anything that I might have, and then getting ready to give it my all again at market open. So for me, the idea of, because it's not just the money lost, right? It's the opportunity cost. For me to not be able to do what I want this weekend, it's not worth the trading. Your high should be the 28.6 and your low should be this. Your 75786 is around 28.280. Okay? So you can either see a sweep, right? Or you could just sweep, but nothing has really changed. This is why, remember, we were like, it's almost like the old school plan you would get fully filled. Remember, we were like, yeah, if we weren't doing the stupid leverage bullshit, this would be your entry window, right? Hey, Bugatti money! Bugatti money! Bugatti money! Oh! The forehand, the bizzle for shizzle. Oh my God, fuck. Okay. Well, who getting nasty? Who getting nasty? I'm trying to figure out my shift for Hamptons right now. Oh my God. Hey, plans. Y'all are coming to the Hamptons with me? Hey, good shit, y'all. Math is the math. That's why we plan. Hopefully everybody's good. How many people how are we all gonna get liquidated together? I'm in there too. Yes, sir, Swift Raven. It took all fucking day, but oh my goodness. Easy money, Bugatti money. Should we put our, there's gonna be a golden pocket pushback, right? It's gonna bring it back to the entry. So, if you're not feeling like it, secure some profits, de-risk. You know what I'm saying? But there's another one. Look at that. Everybody Gucci? Everybody liking the math? Hey. See, like, I can be gone for like 6-7 hours. We're already juicing. 285 is my average entry. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try my hardest to get the VIP up and running so I can put it on there. Hopefully we don't get stopped out though. But hey, that was one hell of a for the next. I mean, this is really it. If we start to turn the golden pocket into support or start doing body candle closes above this diagonal resistance line, anything remotely goofy like that, it's not, get out of the short. Unless you want to gamba. But I think for the next couple hours we have stuff to kind of guide us. Yes. Can we sweep 28.6? Yes. But here's the thing. Do you understand the difference? This is a shitty, poor high. This is oregano. This is a good high. That's a good high. That's like, dab high. That's a dab high. Like that's like a dab, like concentrate. We're talking concentrate, ladies and gentlemen. We're beyond the organics and the combustibles. We're talking about concentrates at this point. Okay. So yeah, you could sweep that, brother, but okay. So here's what I would say. Let's not like talk about every single possible scenario. I'm gonna just say I'm gonna just like talk about the way that I'm seeing it. Okay, that is a good high. Okay, that's a good high right there. So it would really have to be this mathematical level check. Okay, the hourly candle close has to get back within the bearish range. Check. Okay, so if this makes a higher high, I'm out. I don't care. This is the last trade I'm in, I promise. Okay? If this makes a higher high, I'm out. I don't care if it gives me a sweep start. I don't care anymore because that's a good high right there. This is where it should go. You have broken this. All of like the easiness for me is now broken. I don't want to just take it just because it's a sweep of a high. You know, I love that it has structure that it has to follow, Fibonacci levels it has to follow, time that it has to follow, you know, respecting the good high. If it breaks and makes a sweep of that, all of that shit goes away and you start from scratch. So it could do that. Would I play that? No. But that doesn't mean you can't. You know, so that's when you would be like, well, fuck. Then you might have to remake a good high like this again. And that maybe that's the weekend play. It just keeps just sweeping and fucking over retail. Just ding, 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 ding. Yeah, but this is it. This is it for me. If we start to have 1 hour body candle closes above this line, I'm going to get the fuck out. If it starts to look like this golden pocket is getting turned into support, I'm getting the fuck out. I don't really care if I'm at a loss or profit. The short is probably not a go. If it makes a higher high, I'm out. It's almost like I'm cheating because I'm making it real easy on myself, right? Does that make sense? You can create your own edge in essence if you have the patience to wait for it. So does that make sense? I've got all this shit working for me. If any of them breaks, I'm out. And I'm going to just go fucking enjoy the rest of the weekend. And then we're going to do the same shit again, kick some ass, kick a lot of ass, not some ass, kick a lot of ass again on Monday. Right, Maddie? Right, Maddie? And you know what? If you really want to be disciplined and talk about by the book, every single fib level from here to here should be TP, right? There's all TP levels here. You know, if you want to swing for a home run, then you already know what it is. It's probably like 26.6, 26.5, 26.550. Yeah. And you know what? Me personally, I feel like I really did a great job being disciplined and closing the short here. And so for this one, I'm going to try to swing for a home run. If this makes a higher low, then I'm going to go swing high, swing low, and the 382, I'm going to start closing out the trade. So it'll go like this. Wow. Do you see it? Here, let me delete this. So something like that. Roger that. Having it go all the way back to golden pocket is too much money to piss away, I think, over a weekend. And my position is 262 Bitcoin, so I'm going to close it. We'll see now, Matt. And what's, you know what the best part about this trade is, Matt? The invalidations are so fucking clear. You know, for me, if it gets out of this channel, I'm out. You know, higher high, I'm out. You know, if it starts to do like a bullish CVD right on the golden pocket levels, I'm out. And so makes it really, really easy. So, and for me, like I get to bail if any of those things don't look good. Oh, Bugatti time. And Maddie, remember, If the dump is really what's coming, it's going to stop people out a couple of times, I think. So if you're not in a short, you want to try to be as objective as you can. You know, you don't want to like pussyfoot this thing. So hopefully this isn't the first time you're going to see a sweep. Hopefully this isn't the time. This isn't the first time you're going to see something like this over a weekend, so you can rely on certain things to help you not get so emotionally involved. So yeah, because I feel like I have a decent entry, and I've already mentally committed to just getting swept. You know, that's why I'm like countering that with just trying to hit a home run. So, but that, for most people, that might not necessarily be the right best thing to do. So, I don't really know what else I can do over the weekend. So that's the best I got. Rodriguez, Mikelum, that boy, Houston, Swift Raven. Yo, happy motherfucking Friday. Happy motherfucking Friday, y'all. If you're not in the short, you already know what I'm going to tell you. Golden pocket retracement, 382 to 618, right? Invalidation would be higher high or bullish CVD or some sort of weird like spike in open interest, like maybe like Sato Gang gets into like a crazy, wrong position or something. But probably like if I see some sort of bullish CVD formation as we start to pull back onto the 618 and the 66, that might kind of turn me off to the short. But yeah, and then TP, you already know what it is. Every single golden pocket retracement from every swing high, swing low would be valid. And what I mean by that is you go like this. The high is always going to be set. It's not pixel perfect, but the high is going to always be set. And I would do TP1. And this one, I guess, is about the same. So you would just go like that. I would go like this. I would go all the way like that. So basically what that means is all of this should be TP. Actually, you could probably go even deeper. I guess, you know what? Fuck it, bro. TP1. TP2. So golden pocket, sweep, and single print is TP2. And then TP3, C3PO, ICUP, final TP, but I would be looking for longs there. Something like that. All right, whoever was like, yo, why didn't you show those boxes before? Okay, there you go. What's going on, C Sushi? Quiet 7 CPI next week. Oh, snap. Word? Wait. I saw Japan bank holiday. What is this? October 8th. Sushi Land? Health Sports Day. Alrighty. Karate. Alright. Canada bank holiday. Nobody really cares. Wait. What the fuck is this? I'm a fucking idiot. That's why people are going to Hamptons. Thanksgiving, Papato. Give me that lettuce right now. Okay. So Thursday next week, we have CPI. Oh my God. Are you guys ready to juice the fuck up? Okay. Wait. So Monday, there's no stream then? That makes sense. Because I swear I remember saying 3-day weekend like yesterday. Or maybe it was even earlier today. And I got somewhere along the way, I got confused. Now it all makes sense. Like everybody is going to the Hamptons. Stocks open, only bonds close day. Okay. Well, fuck it. I'm still here. I'm still going to be streaming. I'm still streaming, bitches. Zigmo says, are you still thinking about the 26.6? Yes, I'm assuming that you were here earlier today, right, Zigmo? And you saw me get into the short? And you saw the TA that we did on this channel and all that stuff. So yeah, as long as you saw all that, then you know what I'm looking at. So yes, those variables haven't changed. Now, if you get an hourly candle close above this channel, you start to, make higher, like if there's clear invalidations though. Okay. But yeah, it's pretty, yep. Because I feel like I was responsible and I basically got Pico bottom on this short. So I think I have a little bit of wiggle room to try and hit a home run. Yeah, but that being said though, like that's a level this sweep is also in play. So Zigmo, the other, maybe you weren't here when we talked about this, but the CME gap, you see it, right? The CME gap is up at the golden pocket, okay? Which means that it's like 28160. It's like right here. Okay. So this sweep is valid. This could come sweep because Bybit was the only one that swept. That means it's high probability, it's going to come back down here, right? And other exchanges. So you could get a sweep from other exchanges. The way that I would think about it is if Bybit alone, when their shitty ass exchange algorithm or the order book execution system took the price that low, Bybit alone was able to bounce it. Right? Bybit's order book didn't need anybody else's order book to bounce it. So get it out of that range. So imagine when all the other order books from all the other exchanges come into play, they're going to probably bounce it too. So you could see something like the bearish mid-channel retest where this breaks, sweeps, and then comes back down. And somewhere along the way, it's going to do like a bearish mid-channel retest. And that will grab the CME gap. And then we'll continue back down. That's a possibility too. Okay, so it all just kind of it's all about identifying the levels. So you've got this, like you can set an alert for the price action to close outside of this trend line. That would be one alert. Maybe like right there will be another because you want enough time to get to your computer or look at your things before it sweeps. But that sweep is another level. And then after that, I would be looking for the 26.6. Basically, you lose this, that stop loss, 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 that stop loss. All that's going to get triggered all the way down to, in my opinion, down here, the 26.6. Or excuse me, right, yeah. Right. The last one that I drew right there. I don't know. I need, let me nerd out more on Sol. Sol is just so fucking, I wish somebody said ETH. Would have made my life a lot easier. Sol and XRP, I don't really like. Well, this is going to go lower at some point. OC Pet Doctor says, at least I didn't ask for H-bar. There's already somebody there. 29,000 Sol being shorted at $25. That's so tempting. I don't know. Is this safe to do on a weekend? Actually, I don't know. This actually looks kind of interesting. I'm gonna nerd out a little bit more. You know what we should do? I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna grab something from the kitchen, but I'm gonna start looking at stuff to spot buy, like the big spot buys. Like take like 500K and then buy 100K of like 5 shit coins or something. That sounds horrible. At least an altcoin. All right, let me go let us up. Biggest shitcoin, S&P. Will you get large and extra large back in stock? Oh, man, I don't know. Is it out of stock? That's crazy. But, guys, I had an amazing fucking week. It's really hard to, like, articulate. I hope you guys had an amazing week as well. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a blast. I mean, CPI next week, it's going to get nastier. When's the next stream? Monday, comma. I'll be here Monday. It's really about you guys. So I want you guys to continue to juice, whether it's actually, you know, through a trade or from experience. What an amazing volatile week we had. So quite a gift in and of itself, the volatility. I'll see you guys again on Monday. You guys make sure you enjoy your weekend. I need everybody's best on Monday. We're going to get after it again on Monday, y'all. Conra, Maddie Candle, CPI Thursday. Are you kidding me? It's going to be nasty next week. We'll start looking at gammas probably as early as Tuesday. Let's let the market makers know what's up. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, what a great fucking week. Thank you so much. The week was really dope. Next week is going to be even better. Have a great weekend, yo. Hey, longers, shorters, bulls, bears, we're all lions. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. You guys know that. Stay safe. Sato, tell them what's up.